Hi there, Matt the chef here. Today, we're going to be making a pizza. Not any other pizza. It's going to be a summer pizza, and it's going to be a healthy one. So come on, let's do it. So we're going to get started with this, and so what we're going to need some cucumber, carrot, broccoli, cream cheese, pizza crust, and some pepper. Oh, and also some ranch for the dressing. What we're going to do first, we're going to take the cucumber. There's a few. Cut like this much maybe. That's huge. And then we're going to take this, our grater. Ooh, oops. And I already have some pre-cut here, but that's not enough. Take this. I'm just gonna grate it in there. I'm afraid of graters. I have a fear of them. I have a fear of graters because I'm afraid I'm gonna grate my finger. Just really unfun right now because I'm trying not to grate my finger here. But I think that is enough carrot because I made so much. Alright, we're done with these, so we can place this aside. We can take this. I forgot to grab scissors. And so I got my scissors, and now I'm just going to cut some at the tip like this. I'm not actually going to cut down to the stem or anything. It's like this. So I'm just going to snip it like that and like that. I think that's enough broccoli. So set that aside. I'm already make a mess every single time. What we're gonna do next, I'm gonna take this. This is where my arch nemesis, the dicer, comes back. Yay! So we're just gonna place this in there. This is why it's my arch nemesis. Yay! I got it! I'm proud of myself. I actually got it. So we're gonna place that and cut that. Ow, my hand. That's fine. Jeez. Then we're going to take this, pour that away like that, and bring back my cutting board and put these back. What we're gonna need the ranch now. I'm gonna do this. We're going to open up these. This one. I'm weak. There we go. I'm gonna squeeze some in here. I think that's enough ranch. Ooh, so much ranch. I'm gonna take this powder ranch. That does not smell like ranch. Pour it in there. And then we're gonna take some cream cheese. I love cream cheese. Cream cheese is a good food for bagels and other foods. No. I'm just gonna place some cream cheese in there. You know, just like if you're making a bagel. Pretend this is making a bagel, alright? You're making a bagel right now. This is your bagel. This is your bagel, and you're spreading cream cheese on it. Because that makes sense. This part's gonna be a tad long and loud, but yeah. Alright. Mixing it around! And I think we're done with that. Alright. All right, now that's out. Mess times 20. Don't the ranch for our, dressing. Set this aside, so you can use that. We're gonna come back here and take this. And so I have some bread here that I made already. It's pre-made. So this was the specific one I used. I like to use Pillsbury pizza crust. The directions are set it on a sheet like this. You gotta open it first, open a little, then bring it across here and open it up and pick it up and stretch it a little so it's wider. And then you're gonna poke a few holes in it like this. You put it in the oven for 400 degrees for 10 minutes, and then it should look a little golden like this. And so what we're gonna do, we're going to take our ranch here and just go like this. There, that's enough. And then we're just gonna spread it around. And you put as much of this ranch as you want, but I'm just putting this because I think it's enough. I like to call it a summer pizza because there's like vegetables and stuff like that on it. That was perfect. I put the right amount. And then we're gonna set that back, put that aside, and we're gonna take our stuff that we want on it. I'll take some carrots like this. You can put as thick as you want, the toppings, or as thin as you want. And so we're gonna place some broccoli on it. And then I also forgot to cut the cucumbers, so let me do that right now. Place that there. There we go. And we'll just go like this. And we'll just spread it around like this. So I'm just spreading this around with the spatula so it's just being even everywhere. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna cut it like this. Just cut it in half. I'll just cut another piece right here. We're gonna cut one more piece like this, like right around here. Right like this. And so we're gonna make one last line like this. We're gonna cut through that. And so now that we're done, we're gonna take our serving plate, bring it over here. We're gonna grab just 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Yeah, we're done. So this is my sister. She's gonna try it. So pick your piece. It's healthy for you.
Delicious.
Good. Yeah. I'm glad you like it.
I like it.
Thumbs up. Get it? Just a little hint, so you can press that like button or smash it. Smash it.
Smash, that like fun.
I'm gonna eat it myself.
It's really good.
Oh my gosh. That's good. That's like really good.
It's really good.
I love this so much. It's one of my favorite meals. It's so good. Comment down below what you want to see me cook next. Bye.